All right, guys, we got a 2018 Nissan Titan Nightshade Edition, all murdered out. Look at that, very beautiful truck. Got a nice lift kit on it, 5.6 liter V8. What we got done on it, something different. Factory converter, factory converter, factory converter, factory converter. Then it comes from the factory true dual, as you guys can see. And what we added is two Cherry Bomb M80s. Part number M80 300, as you guys can see right there. 5-inch round. There'll be a link in the description for them. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. That's what they look like. They call them M80s. Look at that. That paint makes it hard for us to weld on it. So Cherry Bomb, if you're watching, weld this. It's okay. I mean, paint this, but do not paint the necks. Come on, guys. We need to weld. Anyways, then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side into 4-inch rolled black tips to complete the look, as you guys can see. There and there. There's the muffler that was on it, and there's the tailpipe that was on it. And these come with a baby glass pack in the back that we took off too. So there it is. Comes dual in, single out on these. That's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. This Titan, guys, this is round 2. He brought it back a week later. It was just too loud for him. And it was, the sound wasn't just right. So he brought it back and we added an X-Pipe. So it's a 2018 Nissan Titan V8. Let me let you guys see what we did on it. So it's got factory converters there, total of 4. Then they come true dual from the factory into a single muffler. We took it off and put an X-Pipe right there to equalize back pressure and exhaust scavenge. It takes the rasp out, basically. And it is a true flow X-Pipe. There's the part number on it. There'll be a link in the description for it. And then we put 2 Cherry Bomb M80s on it, right there. And then ran it out the back on each side, as you guys can see, with 2 1/4 on each side into 3.5-inch black tips to complete the look, because it's all blacked out. So it looks really nice, really clean. There it is on each side. There's the other tip. There's the M80s. There's the X-Pipe we just added. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. I hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate it if you guys can subscribe, because we only get about 25% out of our viewers that are actually subscribing. So to raise our count and keep making these videos for you guys, please subscribe. Again. Yeah. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Go ahead and back it out. There's the idle on it, guys. Think of the sound. Cherry Bomb M80s. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. So much better. Yeah, that X-Pipe, it needed that X-Pipe. It needed that X-Pipe. A lot cleaner. See how it's a lot deeper now? Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. Do you remember what the decibels were before?
I think we were 110.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
works out really nice on this truck. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. It's loud. Nissan Titan 2018 round 2. We added X-pipe and kept the Cherry Bomb M80s. There you go. Enjoy, guys.